DJ Timeline. Hi, I'm Debbie. This DJ known for cultivating an air of mystery, a champion boy to his flock of followers. But for many years now, no fan of media interviews or shedding light on the man behind the black contact lenses. Tonight, we tapped our archive for memorable moments in the career of Alkaline.
Them talk about me like every day, I talk about them like not one day.
Up for the challenge, Alkaline, a bright-eyed contestant on Junior Quiz.
I will become a doctor or a research scientist. Thank you.
Later quizzed on ER about blurring the lines between gimmickry and music. The teenage DJ seeing his way to a story about tattooing his eyes.
I ride bike at times, but I can do a few tricks and I know a little stunt. But I don't really master the art of stunting yet. So yeah, I really tattooed my eyes. It's just a new look for dancehall. Me and you both know, Mr. Miller, that you have like 10 million artists in Jamaica. Everybody claim to be them at the baddest. Everybody claim to say them at the baddest. So I think to just distinguish myself from every other entertainer, why not just tattoo my eyes?
But can't you rely on your talent to do that?
Yes, but everybody has their own stepping stone to success, and I guess this just happened to be mine.
Bounty Kid is going to call you the spawn of the devil. It's a Tommy Lee thing?
No, definitely not. Persons are
yeah, of course you're influenced by Tommy Lee. I mean,
No, I wouldn't say that. But the thing is, the irony, I sing songs about female sexual liberation. I sing songs about issues that affect the nation, such as social commentary. I sing songs about happiness, really, but this is just something to captivate the interest of many persons, and I think...
What sort of feedback you getting from people that are freaked out?
Some are freaked out, but there's no need to be freaked out, man. I mean, it's just to captivate interest because I'm a shock value artist and I bring theatrics and provocativeness to dancehall.
So what mommy and daddy said?
Well, you don't know. Well, my father is 100%. He's okay, but my mother kind of disappointed. But what has been done has already been done, so it's okay for me.
So when you look in the mirror, what you see staring back at you?
I see a limited edition, a youngster who's just out of this world, literally. Me no see nothing I want at all, and I never chew me no tattoo me eyeball. No money na run coming like it a crawl, but me have to turn up and wait car time at. Yeah, man.
His management complained the interview made the youngster look silly in the eyes of the public, but the public's eyes never in question. Anyway, we gave it another go.
From your bad. And them can't stop you as long as you have lyrics and determination. No people like in the initial stages, like, oh, him tattoo me eye? I eat that man, we not give him no listen. They saw me and say, but over time, them get to realize, say, I am not an ophthalmologist by profession, neither am I an optician, but I'm a true entertainer. And so me and say, and the tune them start lit them on them ears drum. And so me and say, so people are more accepting now. I try to mirror like my lifestyle. And so me and say, are the lifestyle of my friends, yeah, and just put it in the music because mundane realism is effective in conveying good messages to people. And so me and say, people like to feel like them believe in a way I say. So I just that my use to make the message come across.
What do you tell people when they're giving you a hard time?
When they're giving me a hard time? My whole entire life, people have been giving me a hard time, but I've always measured success not by those who like you, but by also those who hate you. And so I say, if nobody not hate you, that means that you're not really relevant. And so I say, you're not really important. So me have so much haters. That's kind of in front of things, man. I'm on thing. A dancehall, and dancehall is hardcore, so you have to fit the setting. And so I say, so it's like a bait. You set it, you catch the attention, and then you just wheel them into the good music.
And you never thought at any point that you might have miscalculated?
Miscalculated? No, man, I want you to say, man. I've been studying this business from ever since from the devil was a boy.
Yeah, I'll take the middle up your soul.
Producer Russian asked for his take on the young DJ.
You can't deny that he has talent, but I just feel that his music sounds like Vybz Kartel and his personality.
Fan momentum around Alkaline building from his first solo gig.
When Vybz Kartel just come out and bust, I just said vibes, them are for Alkaline now. So you know, say him calm and humble. The show was great, and from say Alkaline, I know say yeah, it's up there and so, cause that's him alone want to see.
We just forward out and deliver the full set, as what I say, like you never seen before. What I can say is the crowd, I was well received. So me I say, we don't have the footage for sure. This is just the beginning of something new. So me I say, new generation, dancehall, new protagonists.
Alkaline early into his emergence as a DJ when he split from management over claims money was withheld. Ex-handlers Dwayne Morris and Andre Barnes quick to hit back.
Foolishness, what money? What money? I mean, come on, Alkaline did about 5 shows in December. What money you can make from that show? Like $120,000 each, right? There's no money. There was never any money. Things got sour when his family got involved. His family was never interested in his career from day one. It was always a fight. A matter of fact, in September of last year, his mother was going to put him out, right? And I'm telling you facts. We were searching for somewhere to put him. In December, when some money started coming in, yeah man, he became the god of the house. And everybody got so interested, and it became a family business. People calling me, sister calling me about money. I mean, everybody except him. I hear him saying in an interview that him asking about his career. Alkaline has never been interested in anything other than writing songs. You see, when you have a young artist who is used to, because most artists, I guess them sing out of them situation, them used to poverty. Them used to chicken back and white rice. I mean, once them get to chicken and rice and peas, you can't talk to them again.
Movada's sidekick DJ Frost talked up Alkaline as a possible successor to Vybz Kartel.
Alkaline bad, you know. I don't have nothing bad to say about him, you know. He might just do fit him thing, you know. Kartel used to get a whole heap of bad press, and though he's one of the baddest thing up to today. So what you say?
Kartel acknowledged Bounty Killer. Has Alkaline acknowledged Kartel?
Him not have to acknowledge Kartel if he want. Him know what him go through for boss, you know.
Producer Not Nice acknowledging Kartel's influence on younger DJs, but defending Alkaline's right not to give a nod to Kartel.
You think Alkaline learned anything from Vybz Kartel?
Yeah, every artist. I don't single out nobody. Every artist learns something from Kartel. You can't tell a man to say that, man. If he want to say it, him say it. Suppose him in himself feel like he not learn nothing from Kartel. If him in himself feels so you can't tell him to say that, him just do for him thing. Every artist come out, them give props to Kartel. So one man come out and say him not giving props to Kartel. It all about everybody, so.
And the contacts?
I look straight into the camera and tell him. See him? I don't know.
Alkaline's former handler back in the news, saying the DJ was behind the trashing of his car at a gig. Claims Alkaline laughed away.
False allegation. So me I say he's an idiot, and everybody in Jamaica see that. So me I say, oh, you're going to come on TV and talk about, oh, this artist, like in the initial stages, you come and say, this artist, he's going to run dancehall. He is going to be the dancehall's next protagonist. And then afterwards, he's going to come now. He's going to crash. He's going to make it. He's going to fade. You know what I mean? People say, you're not real, you're fake. So me I say, he just make up some bag of things because, I mean, he's frustrated, and I can understand why. I mean, probably broke right now.
Still black-eyed in public, Alkaline gets testy when challenged about the number of contact lenses he possesses.
Whenever you're the artist that like leading dancehall, you're like the main protagonist. Everybody's gonna say everything to kind of derail you and try to bring down your energy. You saw me and say, I'm no different. You know, see me drive the car look a while, so you really see me drive the car, come in here so, and really ask me, can see?
The DJ confident he has the skills to stay in play while others run out of steam.
What do you think? If it's a matter of time, make we see what going on. Want to think me I do? Girl out my thing and party out my thing? I must know me I do. And music me say. So whosoever I pray for say, oh, him so feel, him so drop, him hype so done, make us see what going on.
As for being quick to take the bait from other DJs,
you did who? All of them are call up me name forget the hype. Me not give them no hype. They're going dead for hungry.
Nevis says no to Alkaline, but St. Kitts gives the green light to the DJ.
They were saying something that Alkaline is bad news and I'm going to promote negativity and lewdness.
And devil worship.
And devil worship, which I think is just preposterous because I don't think like a government should dictate what people should or should not listen to. The Prime Minister of St. Kitts authorized for the performance to be held in St. Kitts. Yes, sir. which was filled to capacity by the way, because, you know, they bag up publicity and everything, so you got an extra promotion.
So you performed in St. Kitts though, but they didn't get any X-rated material. They got a clean show.
Yeah, because, you know...
They got the show you don't give in Jamaica.
No, man, I talk to man, I know if you flip the script, you know. You know, you have a time and a place for everything. You have different people in society, so you have to appeal to everybody. Yeah, all around the artists, that's how you go, man.
At Reggae Sumfest in 2014, Alkaline struggles to move the massive.
Some artists get nervous and nerd out when them say them not really get this and get that, but it's whatever to me. So me, I say, just go over there and deliver my set, and that's good enough for me.
So you never flop? Me just want to hear that.
I might have flip, but me no flop.
Alkaline calls himself a role villain in October 2014 interview with ER. The DJ admits to bleaching.
Alkaline is a brand, and with all businesses, you have to continue to evolve, to maintain, like to be fresh and interesting at every given time. So that's what I'm doing, and I'll continue to do. Remember, I'm an entertainer, and entertainers have to present themselves larger than life. You have to present something for people to believe in, and just a different look. Me can't be a normal man.
Kids look up to Alkaline.
I wouldn't say I'm a role model. I would say I'm more of a role villain.
And you're comfortable in the role of the villain?
Yeah, pretty much.
No fallout from the bleaching at all? Not worried about your skin?
My skin good, man. You know, so I have a different tone from everybody who bleach. I no pitchy patchy and I no look like boss up and them look a thing. All I really want is to be on top. Yeah, most definitely. And I like when people talk about me still.
But with regard to his image and his sound, rejects any comparisons with Vybz Kartel. Don't you owe a debt to Vybz Kartel?
No. I never borrow none. So, I mean, he exploited a lot of things in music. He was the first to do a lot of things in dancehall music. So, I mean, any artist who come close to that is gonna be up for scrutiny of being a possible copycat. That's what I say.
So you own nothing in terms of your career development in Vybz Kartel?
No, nothing. I'm not a Gaza artist.
You arrived on the scene fully formed with your own identity and persona and personality.
Most definitely.
And image.
Most definitely.
If you were to sum up yourself to people who, you know, want a little bit more clarity about who Alkaline is, what would you say about yourself that, you know, that they hadn't maybe thought of before?
Them think a lot of it enigmatic. But just do what I want to do. Yeah, I just live my life and I enjoy my career. Yeah, and not cater for haters, no time. I think that's what attracts a lot of people. Yeah, a lot of persons want to be themselves or want to live their life and not matter what people want to say, and they can't do it. That's what I say. So them upset, even the haters, them kind of upset. You know, wish we could have do certain things, you know, but I choose so and so and so and so. And them just see this young 20-year-old just do what they want to do, and them just bad mind. You see me? So I just say it go.
Alkaline courts controversy and more critics emerge from the woodwork. Old school friend Chronicle says Alkaline duped fans about the eye job and gives his take on the DJ's rise to notoriety.
The man link me, I'm telling him, you need to get some tattoo, you need to get an image, yo. I'm saying you need to get a Skillera lens. So I'm asking for a Skillera lens. So I'm sending him a link. So he asked me to buy the Skillera lens for him eye, right? And I say, yo, you know, so I can't buy it. So you know what I do? Come on, help my friend, I ask my mother to buy the lens for him eye. You see me, I say, cause him they pressure me every day. The man link me and I say, yo, want to the thing. Sometimes I ask my mother and then I ship it come to Jamaica film and get it right. People wear like Halloween and those like certain movie, them would have wear it. You have black, you have red, you have blue, you have every color. You can get it custom made as well. And that captured the whole Jamaican people though. When they come with the eye thing though, that give him the first little buzz. More want him give my mother $475 for the contact them. Look who is it today, Alkaline. The man talk about say him far ahead. He don't know if him can give my mother $475.
DJ Sunshine defends Alkaline, but welcomes the controversy around him.
He has not gotten into the he said, she said, and what they're saying about me. This is my music, and whatever I'm feeling, I'm going to put in that music. And for being antisocial, why are we going to kill him for being antisocial? Sometimes you have to do that. Alkaline is a kind of person that he's in his own zone, and you know he thinks that he's the man. And we can hear from the tracks that he has great talent, you know, so him acknowledging Cartel or not acknowledging Cartel, we can't take away from the fact that he's a great artist.
DJ Movado weighs in from the Gully side.
I mean, Alkaline is a good artist.
Why does Alkaline get such a bad rap in Jamaica?
Because that's the way it is. I mean, if nobody not call a name, you're not hot, nobody don't know you. Who your man go sit down, man? So if everybody bash Alkaline, then obviously he's doing something that having everyone head. People head a run so and a run so and a run so. You understand me? Because that's how music is. Low star. Leave youth where arise for feed them family. See?
DJ Frost has credits on 8 of the tracks on Alkaline's New Level Unlocked album.
One bag of gold medal pan me, no.
Champion boy around the place, city around the place. I don't think him afraid of nothing. I just think he's being a superstar. People say things about people where things always happen for them.
One bag of gold medal pan me, no.
If nothing happen for you, nobody have nothing to say about you. Yes, so you're about to play this song, man.
Why every time when you forgive me, you not give me a fight, yeah?
Well, maybe I try to keep out of trouble. Maybe I try to keep out of mix-up. And every artist go out every night. You don't have to go out every night to get the songs played.
Selector Footer Hype, not a fan of the DJ.
Remember, Alkaline never bust off of music. Alkaline bust off of him eyeball. And him take out him eyeball now. So either him have to cut off him ears, put on a breast, do something to attract the crowd again. So, but he might do good now. He might alright. But based on him hype over the Billboard thing and Cartel album release and top where him did there. So them artists just need to control them ego, accept where God bless you with, work with it and stop acting like, you understand? Bob do it already, we can't break no more record than what Bob said. Let's go on the music.
Fame FM's Colin Hines noting Alkaline's impact on the charts.
In 2016, Alkaline graduated from being a contender to being a gladiator in the arena. When you call the Knights of the Dancehall Round Table, he's now sitting at that table.
Except that he is not in the arena because you never see him.
Well, that's part of his quirk and his uniqueness. Young man has not performed, yet he has made an impact. That kind of special.
No prisoners taken as Popcorn and Alkaline go all out in an exchange of diss tracks. Even family members fried on microwave.
The song that apparently got Alkaline angry was not a song that addressed Alkaline very strongly and directly. It was a typical war song, a typical feud song. The circle ends under this and that. You don't know, bad man, this, that, whatever. Rather stock. But the difference with microwave is the way it line for line in a very personal way deconstructs Popcorn and goes at him in the most vicious way that an artist lyrically can. And in that regard, what we're seeing is a diss track to kill all diss tracks.
Police question Alkaline ahead of his New Rules gig in March 2017 after a 28-year-old man is killed in Marvelly. Alkaline summoned to answer questions at Harmon Barracks on Wednesday, February 8. Alkaline not present, but his lawyer Peter Champagne spoke on camera.
He is innocent, and the situation is one where he will be cooperating with the investigations, whatever they are. And the fact also is that I understand that there have been some publication on social media in relation to what it is that he is alleged to have said concerning this matter. He has not issued any such publication himself. I don't know that this is going to have a negative effect on him. He is a talented young man.
Alkaline appears at Harmon Barracks Thursday morning and is questioned. His lawyer leaves without making any comment to media. The DJ spends a weekend behind bars, but is released by the cops. Pandemonium at the National Stadium car park as fans descend on new rules. Guns pulled and fences trampled. Alkaline returns to Reggae Sumfest in 2017, but gets mixed reviews.
The blind eye one, I'm not sure why I'm doing.
I'm an artist, but I expect him to leave a loud impact.
Alkaline come out and dash with and family answer him.
Cartel takes a swipe at the champion boy after his murder acquittal and ahead of his Freedom Street gig at the National Stadium.
Do you ever anticipate a time when you level the vibes with Alkaline?
I mean, it's a good water. It's very... That's it. Big up my father.
If he were to acknowledge that there were influences that you brought to bear on his career, would that change things?
Not his career, every career.
Do you see a time when, you know, if he says what you think he needs to say?
No, I didn't. I never said what I think he needs to say. I don't care what he wants to say. Like I'm saying, everybody know Cartel set the trend, and if I dress like you, people are gonna know, regardless of if I admit it or not.
So there's no way there can be a kind of accommodation?
No, there's no bad blood either. I'm a grown man, and I'm a changed man, so we hold no grudges.
Canadian promoter says after Cartel, Alkaline is the heir apparent.
Who's the crown prince of dancehall?
I'd say Alkaline. Every single Alkaline show we've done, which is about 6 of them, we've sold out every single one by bringing that gentleman on stage. And he, no matter what, he doesn't have to sing a song, he sells.
Cartel talks to everybody, reaches out, is friendly to everybody, is accessible. Alkaline is inaccessible.
That is true too, and maybe that's a part of his, you know, je ne sais quoi, the fact that you can't just reach out to me. But yes, I would say that would be my crown prince of dancehall right now, and I would say Cartel is the king.
And Alkaline with this response to hearing Cartel's name in his July 2nd interview with journalist Cliff Hughes.
There was a period of your career when you were in these clashes. Some time ago.
Right.
Yeah?
Right.
Looking back, any regrets about those?
It's just a vibe. It's just fun, yeah? It's not really.
Vibes, as in Vibes Cartel? No. No. Okay.
Just need locked up.